want to share with you a little triad study that can help you work on your embellishments as well as your triad inversions. The chord progression is B flat, D minor, C minor, and F. And I'm going to begin by playing the second inversion, B flat major triad, with that little embellishment. And I'm going to keep that the same. I'm just going to find that in those different places for that B flat major chord. And then I've got my D minor. I'm going to keep that same idea. And then I've got C minor. And then F. Obviously, a video can't address your specific needs as a student every single time. Hopefully this is somewhat helpful. Maybe it's inspiring. If so, sign up for a lesson.